To calibrate the machine, first of all, what you have to do, you have to unplug the copper side area. Okay. Now, in this position, what you have to do, so what you have to do, we have taken 200-gram pouch to calibrate the machine. First of all, what you have to do, there is one button function. You have to hold this button, then it will come P00. So from weight plus, this weight plus, you have to make 8, and from that 808 we have to mention. So from this, the cursor will come here. Now make it 808. Now press the confirm button. Now what you have to write, 550 in this same process, weight plus 550. We have made this 550. Now press the confirm button. So it will come F00. So we have to go for F12. So from weight plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 12. In 12 position it will come F12. Now press the confirm. So after putting confirm, 40 will come. So we have to write 200. So from this button arrow, you make to have to cursor over here. Now 1 2. Now it will come 200. Now what you have to do, you have to put that weight, take that weight, and you have to put in this bucket like this. After putting, you have to press confirm. F13 will come. After F13, click on fast. So the 200 will appear. Your machine has been calibrated. Now you have to switch off the machine from here. The machine has been calibrated.